Today, we're going to be talking about the current use of genetically modified organisms. So, people have been altering the genomes of plants and animals for many years now using breeding techniques and artificial selection in search of a specific desired traits, ranging from sweet corn to hairless cats. But this artificial selection, in which organisms that exhibit specific traits are chosen to breed subsequent generations, has been limited to naturally occurring variations. In recent decades, however, advances in the field of genetic engineering have allowed precise control over the genetic changes introduced into an organism. Today, we can incorporate new genes from one species into a complete unrelated species through genetic engineering, optimizing agricultural performance or facilitating the production of valuable pharmaceutical substances, crop plants, farm animals, and soil bacteria. These are some of the ones chosen as example. Current use of Genetica or GMOs are mostly focused on agricultural plants. Some benefits of genetic engineering in agriculture are the increased crop yields, reduced costs for food and drug production, reduced need for pesticides, enhancing nutrients composition and food quality, resistance to pests and diseases, greater food security, and medical benefits to the world's growing population. Advances have also been made in developing crops that mature faster and tolerate aluminium, boron, salt, drought, frost, and other environmental catastrophes, allowing plants to grow in conditions where they might not otherwise flourish. Other applications include the production of non-protein or non-industrial products. Several animals have also been genetically engineering to increase yield and decrease susceptibility to diseases. For example, salmon have been engineering to grow larger and mature faster, and cattle have been enhanced to exhibit resistance to mad cow diseases. Also, the pharmaceutical industry is another frontier for the use of GMOs. In 1986, for example, human growth hormone was the first protein pharmaceutical made in plants, and in 1999, the first antibody was produced. Both research groups used tobacco, which has since dominated the industry as the most intensively studied and utilized plant species for the expressive of foreign genes. These are some of the examples and some of the products that we can get out of the GMOs production massively, giving an example of what the human kind can achieve with it. So now I'm going to talk about a little bit of the benefits that the GMOs are bringing with them, basically surrounding the many kinds of environments that are getting through many kinds of catastrophes and situations that have bring many downfalls to the humankind that we know and we really appreciate from that time on. So we can see that thanks to the GMOs, many kinds of agricultural situations have been solved, bringing many help with it. Basically, healthcare, basically more fructiferal fruits, many kinds of vegetables, and relatables to that, helping and basically supporting many kinds of situations surrounding the world, including hunger, including many